What's up everyone, June with the Sushi Man, and I just wanted to make this quick video to share some updates and upcoming changes to my channel. If you saw my official introduction video, you probably remember me mentioning that I'll be taking a small step back from YouTube to focus on two big projects. The first is the Sushi Man blog, which is officially live, and it's growing and evolving as I constantly add new content on there, so I hope you'll check it out often. The second big project is the Sushi Man online course, which a ton of you have showed interest in. So thank you for that, and I really appreciate all the support and encouragement. It means a lot. Now, with that said, I've always believed that when you want to build something meaningful, focus is everything. So in order to give this online course my complete attention, I'm going to pause on my YouTube channel for the time being. And honestly, after the whole mess with our book being printed wrong on Amazon, it really made me realize how important it is to have full control over our own products. Now, of course, every situation and product can be different, but at the end of the day, I truly believe this course is going to help a lot of people, and that makes it 100% worth the time and effort. And don't worry, the newsletter will still be coming out regularly, and I may pop in with a video here and there, just not on a set schedule. So yeah, thank you again for all the support, and I hope you're just as pumped about the course as I am. Alright, that's it from me. Till next time, arigatou gozaimasu.